Hi everyone, welcome to Gunpla. For today we're gonna unbox the Gundam G-Else from the high-grade Build Divers Re-Rise series. Gundam G-Else is the color variant for the Gundam G-Self. This model kit didn't came from Gundam Build Diver series, but it came from a manga named Gundam Build Divers Break, which is a side story from the anime. As you can see, this is the box art, which is really cool. I really like it. You could actually scan this QR code to watch the series or to watch the anime from YouTube. This is a high-grade 1/144 model kit, and it was released this year, 2020. You can see this is the side of the box. It's number 20 from the Build Diver Re-Rise series, and these are some actions or gimmick and posing. So it has a beam rifle, you have a saver, you have a grow up arms and grow up legs, which is really cool. On this side you could actually pose it with the Gundam Shining Break. So this is the GElse. So if you want to read the story regarding the Gundam G-Else, you have a side story here. You could actually pause this and read it if you want. And another look on how the model kit looks like. So let's see what's inside. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 runner bags. We're gonna look into those later. So here is the manual. So you can see there's a backstory regarding the kit here, as well as the pilot named Zen. So if you wanna read it, just pause it. The back shows the posing and the weapons and the gimmicks for the grow up arm and grow up legs, as well as display recommendation with the Shining Break, and showing you a story regarding the Gundam Self, which is a color variant of this Gundam model kit. This is it. So let's see what's inside. So you can see this is the building manual. This is the runner list. And the building instruction. You also get the recently usual colored building manual for the recent model kits. There you go. Let's check the runner up close. This is the runner A1. So you can see you have the head, the armor, as well as some skirt here. Here is the runner B, which has the lighter off-white color for the torso and some of the parts of the back. We have the runner C, which is the base part of the feet as well as the torso, and it's in black color. This is runner D, which has the darker pink accent colors. This probably is for the torso and for the legs or for the hips. We have the runner E, which is the military dark green color. This has the joint and some armors at the side. as well as the hands and the weapons. You have the runner F, which has the red translucent part. Here is the runner G. Here you also have the lighter white color, or the lighter off-white color here, as well as the dark part. Probably these are the armors for the body, the feet, as well as the head or the face. Here are the runner H. So it's an identical runner. It's for the feet and some of the joints. So it's in the darker military green color. Here is the SB6 or the sabers. Here are the polycaps. Surprisingly, this bigger model has a fewer polycaps. Lastly, here are the full stickers. With this model, surprisingly, we have a lot of full stickers. And I believe this part here, number 7, is the one in the forehead. So that's a little iffy because you have a nicer looking model, but you have a lot of full stickers. I don't know how it will look like. So I'm really intrigued on how will that stickers look on the model kit. So I'm gonna build this and stay tuned on the review video for this model, the Gundam G-Self. And as always, if you really like this unboxing, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And as always, thank you for watching.